Learning to control a car for the first time can feel intimidating. Many new drivers feel nervous when they sit behind the wheel. There are several things happening at the same time. You must control the steering wheel. You must manage the clutch and the pedals. And you must constantly observe the mirrors and the road around you. At the beginning, all of this can feel overwhelming.
But the truth is that controlling a car becomes much easier once you understand the correct techniques. In this video, you will learn how to control a car with confidence. We will explain how to use the clutch smoothly, how to steer correctly, and how to use your mirrors to stay aware of everything happening around you. If you are learning to drive or preparing for a driving test, this guide will help you become a calmer and more confident driver. Let's begin.
Understanding the basic controls. Before driving, every new driver must understand the basic controls of the car. These controls include the steering wheel, the accelerator pedal, the brake pedal, the clutch pedal, and the mirrors. Each of these controls has an important role in keeping the vehicle stable and safe on the road. The steering wheel controls the direction of the car. The accelerator controls how fast the car moves. The brake pedal slows down the vehicle or brings it to a complete stop. The clutch pedal is used in manual cars to allow smooth gear changes. When drivers understand these basic controls, driving becomes much easier and more predictable. This is the first step toward confident driving.
How to use the clutch smoothly.
The clutch is often one of the most difficult controls for new drivers. The clutch connects and disconnects the engine from the wheels. When starting the car, drivers must press the clutch fully and select first gear. Next, the driver slowly releases the clutch while gently pressing the accelerator. One very important concept is the clutch biting point. The biting point is the moment when the engine begins to move the car forward. If the clutch is released too quickly, the engine may stall. However, when the clutch is released slowly and smoothly, the car begins to move forward gently. Learning to control the clutch takes practice, but with time, drivers develop a natural feeling for it.
Steering control and hand position.
Steering control is essential for safe and stable driving. Drivers should always hold the steering wheel with both hands. A common recommendation is the 9 and 3 o'clock position. This hand position provides better balance and faster reaction if something unexpected happens. When turning the steering wheel, drivers should always use smooth and controlled movements. Avoid sudden or aggressive steering. Smooth steering keeps the vehicle stable and prevents loss of control. It also makes the ride more comfortable for passengers. Good steering control is one of the most important skills for safe driving.
Using mirrors effectively.
Mirrors are essential for understanding what is happening around your vehicle. Most cars have 3 main mirrors: the interior rearview mirror and 2 side mirrors. These mirrors help drivers see vehicles approaching from behind or from the sides. Drivers should check their mirrors regularly while driving. This helps maintain awareness of the traffic environment. Before changing lanes, turning, or slowing down, drivers should always check their mirrors first. Proper mirror use greatly reduces the risk of accidents. Good drivers are always aware of what is happening around them.
Starting and stopping the car.
Starting and stopping smoothly is an important skill for new drivers. To start moving, the driver presses the clutch pedal fully and selects first gear. Next, they slowly release the clutch while gently pressing the accelerator. The car will begin to move forward. When stopping, the driver should gradually release the accelerator and press the brake pedal. As the car slows down to very low speed, pressing the clutch helps prevent the engine from stalling. Smooth starts and smooth stops make driving safer and more comfortable.
Controlling speed.
Controlling speed is a key part of safe driving. Drivers should always adjust their speed according to road conditions, traffic, and weather. Using the accelerator gently helps maintain smooth driving. Sudden acceleration can make the car harder to control. Drivers should also maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead. This provides enough time to react if traffic suddenly slows down. Good speed control helps prevent accidents and improves overall driving safety.
Common mistakes new drivers make.
Many beginner drivers make similar mistakes while learning to control a car. One common mistake is releasing the clutch too quickly. This often causes the engine to stall. Another mistake is steering too abruptly. Sudden steering movements can reduce stability and control. Some drivers also forget to check their mirrors regularly. Without mirror awareness, drivers may not notice vehicles approaching from behind. Developing good habits early helps drivers avoid these common mistakes.
Building confidence behind the wheel.
Confidence comes with practice and experience. New drivers should start practicing in quiet areas with little traffic. This allows them to focus on controlling the vehicle without too much pressure. As drivers gain experience, they become more comfortable with steering, clutch control, and mirror awareness. Patience is very important during the learning process. Every experienced driver was once a beginner. With consistent practice, confidence naturally grows.
Now listen. Learning to control a car safely takes time and practice. By understanding how to use the clutch, steering smoothly, and using mirrors correctly, drivers can greatly improve their control of the vehicle. These skills are essential not only for passing a driving test, but also for staying safe on the road. Remember that calm and focused driving leads to better decisions behind the wheel. With practice, controlling a car will become natural and comfortable. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, share, and keep practicing safe driving.